Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove powered by System.io tag on your website using System.io. So all you need to do is log in to your account in System.io and then go to sites and then go to sales funnels. Now choose the funnel that you want to remove the watermark from and then press on it. Now you need to press on edit page. Then inside the settings, scroll down until you see affiliate, display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commission. You can just uncheck this box and the powered by System.io will disappear. But you need to note that this functionality is not available on the free plan. It's only available on the paid plans. And then after you toggle it, this one, you just press on save to save your changes, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.